Hello friends, now we are going to understand about the Pythagoras theorem. In this theorem, Pythagoras telling that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to be the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now we can understand this concept using an example. For this, I am going to take the measures for this right angle triangle as 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Now we are going to understand this concept, that is the theorem, by using an activity. For this, you can take any two color papers. For example, if you are taking a red and blue, just assume that in red or in blue you can choose any one color. From this, you cut two squares in each color that should have the measures of these sizes what you took already in the base of this right angle triangle and also the height. That means for 3 cm you cut two squares. Similarly, for 4 cm you cut another squares in another color. From this, you can take a piece of square from this and then you stick it here. Just you stick it here and take this another piece from another measure and stick it here. Now you may have the another piece in both the colors with you. From this, what you want to do, take the 3 cm square first and you want to measure the square into 1 cm in each side using your scale like this, and you just first draw the straight lines horizontally for this 1 cm and also vertically. Similarly, you do with the another piece of paper that you are having with another color for 4 cm. You do the same concept here also. Horizontally, you first draw the straight lines for 1 cm. Similarly, vertically for 1 cm in this 4 cm paper also. Now using scissor, you just make it as pieces. You cut it separately in each color. Then using a scale, you just make a square for 5 cm in the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, that is, that should have in each side as 5 cm. Now you have the pieces of red color with you as 9 pieces, and in blue color you can have the 1 centimeter pieces for 16. Now what you want to do? Using a scale and pencil, first you do the same thing what you done already, that is horizontally and vertically. You first divide the square of hypotenuse into 25 boxes. Then you just stick this color papers as your wish, as alternatively or one by one, however you want to paste, you can do as your wish. Finally, you can paste all the 25 pieces with you. So all the pieces can over when you stick in this square of the hypotenuse. From this, what you can understand means, the Pythagoras is telling that square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That means 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So this sides squares summation is to be equal to the hypotenuse square. This is the statement that Pythagoras theorem explained, that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides or other two sides. That means the base and the height of this right angle triangle. And one more thing, the numbers which satisfies this Pythagoras theorem is called as Pythagorean triplets. And one more to understand very clearly, that every right angle triangle should compulsorily satisfy this Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.